Okay, so now we are going to create, or we are going to download the fresh Laravel 10 setup by using the Laravel. You can also use the cmd command if you are using the Windows. If you have set the Laravel as a globally, you can also use the Laravel new and type your XYZ project name to download the Laravel 10 setups. So we are using the Laravel, so that's why we just need to give the name of the Laravel, and Laravel or download each and everything out of the box for us. Okay, so once we download the Laravel fresh setup, then we're gonna set up the database and also the white. How can you integrate the white? We're gonna use the bootstrap by using the npm command, and we're gonna set or integrate the bootstrap by using the white. Okay, so once we set up the white and also the bootstrap, then we're gonna create the database, or we're gonna give the name of the database and perform the migrations operations. So how exactly you can do that? Let's get started. Okay, so I'm saying Laragon, and here we have already started the Laragon. So this is the Laragon, and I'm saying quick Laravel. Here you can define the Laravel project. I'm saying Laravel 10 CRUD. So just click on the enter button. The system automatically execute the command. So this is the command you can also directly execute by accessing the CMD, but I am accessing with the Laravel. Sorry, Laragon. So now as you can see, we are downloading the fresh Laravel 10 version. So this is a 10.2.6 version while I'm recording this lecture. So once we download all the things, all the required things, then we're gonna set up the white. Then we're gonna use this as a CRUD. Okay, so now as you can see, 54 packages suggested were added by the new dependencies. Use composer. Okay, so she's my baby. She's disturbing me. Once we download each and everything, then we're gonna start. Okay, so now as you can see, we have successfully downloaded the Laravel 10 version. So we're gonna switch the folder. I'm saying Laravel, Laravel 10. So this is the Laravel 10 CRUD. So Laravel 10 CRUD open. Okay, so now I'm saying that I'm gonna push this one at the GitHub so you guys can easily get the code. So I'm saying publish and as a public repository, so you guys can easily access this one. So it's pushing. I'm saying okay. So this is the GitHub link. You can get the, I will add the link, or I will share the link with you guys, so don't worry about it. Okay, so now I have the CSS and also the JS. In the resources, we have the CSS and also the JS. So these are the two files we're gonna use. First of all, so this is the white.config settings. You have a resources app.js files. Now before doing this, you have to check either you have installed the Node.js and also the npm you have successfully installed or not. I'm saying npm-v. So 9.8.1 version, fine. If I say Node uh, version 18.18.0, if you have not installed the Node version, just go to Node.js in your machine. So you have to install the Node.js in your machine. Since we are the Windows user, you know very well. So that's why I have already installed and also downloaded the Node version. So that's why it's showing us in our editor. Once you install, then you can say that npm install. Just click on the enter button. It's installing the related packages out of the box for you. Now I'm saying PHP artisan serve. It's serving me. So this is a fresh Laravel setup. We have done this. Now, if you want to add the files, you know very well that we have the web directory and also the, so this is a file where you can add the CSS and also the JS file. Okay, so now here you can add the white. It's a single white, so that's why I'm saying you don't need to add the column. I'm saying I have the resources, and in CSS I have the app.css file, and copy this bad boy in the footer here where you use the body. I'm saying I have a JS and also the app.js. Okay, so go to the page, refresh the page. It's saying modify, not add npm run dev. So that's why you have to install npm run dev. Okay, so this is the npm run dev. When you go to the page, refresh the page, now it's fine, it's working fine. Okay, so now app.css. Okay, so now if you want to import the bootstrap, then as you can see we have already imported the bootstrap. How can you verify that it's working or not? So let me, okay, so now, okay, here I'm saying I'm going to create a button, and this is the class button primary, and I'm saying XYZ or XTZ. You don't need to. Okay guys, so now why it's not working? Because you have to install the bootstrap. First of all, I'm saying npm install bootstrap. Fine, you have installed the bootstrap. So how can you import? So go to the app.css, and here you can import the settings. You can also use this method in the app.js file. So let's suppose I'm saying import, and now I'm saying uh, in the bootstrap we have the dist, and also we have the CSS, and also we have the bootstrap bootstrap.css file. Fine. You can also import this one in the CSS directory. This one in this, you can use the add if you are working with the CSS. So now, once again, refresh the page. As you can see, it's working. So if you right click, view page source, and here, as you can see, you are importing the bootstrap.js, and you can remove the bootstrap.css from here. Fine. Once again, refresh, it's gone, it's working. Okay, so now you have successfully added the bootstrap by using the white. Okay, so third thing, you can open the .env file. Okay, so this is the env file, and this is the database name. We are saying it's a Laravel 10 CRUD. So you can specify any database name you want. So now it's time to discuss the migrations. So in the database, you have the migrations. As you can see, you have the uh, tables, which is the user table. You can change anything from here. So let's suppose this is the email, this is the name, email, and also the password. You can also add some other columns here. So let's suppose I'm saying I'm gonna add the phone number. So let's suppose surname, and it's by default nullable, and I'm saying true. Uh, and now same thing for the address, and in this time I'm saying address is the text field. You can also add any kind of columns you want, but for now this is fine to perform the CRUD operations. Okay, so now I'm gonna also add the string, and now I'm saying image to add the images or to perform the upload operations. So fine, all these three fields are nullables. What you need, just need to migrate. I'm saying PHP artisan migrate. Fine, you have successfully migrated the database. So now refresh. So you definitely have the Laravel CRUD. Okay, localhost phpMyAdmin. Okay, so that means we have to start the Laravel. If you're not familiar with the Laravel, it's a server like XAMPP, WAMP, or XAMPP. Okay, fine. Now Laravel CRUD. Here we have successfully created the database schema. So you know very well that we have successfully downloaded, installed the Laravel 10. We have implemented the void. We have implemented the bootstrap. So we can use the bootstrap classes. You can also add some extra CSS file. We're gonna discuss about them in our later lectures. Okay, guys. So we have downloaded the fresh setup. We have created the databases by performing the migrations. We have used the void, and we also downloaded the bootstrap by using the npm command, or we have attached the bootstrap by using the npm. So I hope guys you are enjoying our videos. If you think we are doing good, thumbs up. Feel free to share our courses with your friends, especially on social networks, and please don't forget to click on subscribe button and pressing the bell icon so you never miss any update. So thank you for watching.